which is asked in GATE Metallurgical Engineering GATE 2016 question 20, which asks us that the operation which is not associated with casting. So out of the 4 options, which option is not associated with casting? So 4 options are: first one is gating, second one is fettling, third one is stack molding, and fourth one is calendering. So in order to answer this question, we should know all the 4 operations. What are the 4 operations? So first one is gating. So gating system is basically a metal pouring system that conducts molten metal into the mold cavity. So here, as you can see, this is a casting which requires this assembly, which is the pouring system, or let's say a gating system. So gating system consists of: one is the pouring basin attached with sprue. So from here we will pour the molten metal, and this is the runner which provides the molten material through these ingates to the casting, and this is the riser to check that whether all the parts of molten metal are present in the casting or not. So if molten metal rises from this riser, hence we are assured that all the parts of this casting are filled with molten metal. So gating is associated with casting. Second one is fettling. So after this is solidified completely, we need to remove these parts out of casting, and this is our final product. Hence the process of removal of excess materials from casting such as gate, riser, etc. is known as fettling. So fettling is also associated with casting. Now what is stack molding? So let's say if I have this casting, I just bring it like more castings in series with this casting. So a series of molding phases stacked together to create multiple phases or level of molding. So this is required in industrial application, because if you have one riser and if you have series of molds, then you are like solidifying metal through a one gate system also. And the advantages is like the increase of output which is required in industry of a given molding machine. Let's say I want to have 400 molds in a particular hour. So this is like used in industry to just increase the output. So stack molding is also associated with casting. And fourth one is calendering. So what is calendering? Calendering is basically a process of smoothing and compression of a material. It may be a paper, it may be some polymer or any other material during the production by passing single continuous sheet through a number of pair of heated rolls. So as you can see the schematic, this is the thin sheet which is passed with number of rollers there, and the thickness of this sheet like reduces by the pass of each roll, and this leads to smoothing and compressing of material. So this is calendering. So this is not related to any of this process which is associated with casting. So the option of this question, or the answer of this question, is D, calendering.